Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to dive into comparison between two popular programming languages, Dart and Python. Both are widely used but serve different purposes. Let's explore the key differences in syntax, use cases, and basic features. That is a language developed by Google, mainly used for building mobile apps using Flutter. It's a strongly typed language and its syntax is similar to other C-style languages. That is optimized for UI and performance, well in front-end mobile development. On the other hand, Python is known for its simplicity and readability. It's a general-purpose language used in web development, data science, automation, and much more. Python's versatility makes it an excellent choice for beginners and professionals alike. So, let's dive right into the basics. So first, you can see my Visual Studio Code is already opened. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new file here. I'm going to create a new file and I'm going to name this file maybe let's say python.py. Okay, because this one is for Python Python, and let me save this on my desktop over here and create the file. Okay, and I'm going to create another file. I'm going to create another file, and this one I'm going to say, let's say that dot that. So this one is for running the Dart program, the Dart file, okay, and here we create. So now we have two files over here, and you can see we can write Python language here, and we can write that language over here. So first, let's start with Python. The first thing we want to do is we want to write a simple hello world program. Let's see what's the difference between the two languages. So for Python, what we do is, okay, let me maximize this and make my text bigger or maybe smaller. Okay, like this. Okay, so when it comes to Python, if I want to write a simple hello world program, what I do is I just write print, and here I'll say hello world, like this. Okay, so if I come here and press the run, you can see here we have hello world. What about in Dart? In Dart now, what we can do if we want to run a hello world, we want to have an hello world. So for that, we cannot just start by writing print. We have to write void main, and then we open curly braces. Then in here we print our print uh, hello world, hello world, and at the end you have to put this one. And here we can also press this, and you can see now we have a hello world over here. And this one is the debug console. If you want to do this on the terminal using the dat file, what you can do is um, you can go to where your file is, like the dat file where it is. So here we cd to desktop, cd to desktop, because if you remember, I put all these two files on the desktop. So you cd to desktop, then you will say dot run, dot run, and then dot dot dot, and you can also see hello world if you want to run it on the terminal, because this the other one is debugging console. Okay, so now that we have this, you see, now we have some differences here. If you see, Python is simple, it's just print hello world. But for that, we have to put it inside the void main function. So why did we do this? Because when you're running a dart program, what happens is the it when you run the that program, what it looks for first, what that comes to look for is the void main. So all the all the other files you can create, they will be connected to the void main, because this is where your program starts. So every time you press run, it start looking for the void main and it start running. So if you don't put the void main, nothing will happen. Okay, so that's the first part of our comparison.